guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. Today we are doing a green inspired look, and I just wanted to play with the different tones of green. So I did incorporate some darker green in the outer lid, and then I did a pop of like a lime bright green in the inner and the waterline. So you're going to be seeing me blend those two shades out. There's multiple shades of green that I'm blending out. Also, I did use a lot of brown orange undertones to blend out the lid to the arch of my brows, just to make sure it's more seamless in a soft look. But I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video. And thank you.